Y'all, I forgot my water. But we're going to move on. So, y'all get y'all drinks. Get whatever you're sipping on, whatever you're snacking on, and whatever you're smoking on. And let's get started. Let's get started. Okay, so this is a huge one. I hope y'all have seen my video from earlier. Oh, I have some nice pieces from TEMU. Some nice pieces from TEMU. So, we're going ahead and get started. So, y'all, I'm sipping on my tea. I knew I had grabbed something to sip on. Y'all, I went to Sonny's earlier today while me and Coco was out after we left the park. And I got the new, they have 3 new sandwiches, y'all. They have the Philly brisket, they have a chicken sandwich, and they have a fish sandwich. Y'all gonna check my video out. Oh, and you'll see which one I chose, and it is delicious. Delicious. So I'm sipping on my tea. Y'all know what? I haven't had tea in a minute. I've been drinking water like crazy. Oh, I'm excited. So this is order number 2, because I got 4 orders from TEMU. 4 orders. Okay, we're going to put them all out. Oh, that's so cute. I'm so excited. Woo! Yeah, y'all look at them. Barbie, baby. Oh, they look so cute. And honey, y'all, I'm telling you. Yes, goodness. Put this. Y'all, this is one of Coco toys, y'all. That's one of Coco toys. That's one of Coco toys. Y'all, my locks are growing like crazy. They are. Okay, so let's get started. So, let's see what's in the first. Y'all know what? I so love these care baggies that TEMU put their items in. I so love them. Okay, so let's see what we got here. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. So y'all can see what it is. Yo, I am so ready. I'm getting so ready for the summer. Y'all look. Okay, so I have the light green, and these slides are real nice. Very, very supportive. Very. These are platform. Platform slides. I love them because it has so much support on them. Yes, so much support. And these are like a lime. No, this is more like a yellow. Yeah. Yellow, lime green. Lime green, not yellow. No, this is not yellow. This is lime green. Lime green. Yes, and I got these. These are 7.5 to an 8 because they shoes run, 7.5 to an 8. Now in their size it says 40 to 41, but this is in American size 7.5 to 8 because y'all know that everybody make their clothes different sizes, like American sizes. Okay, so let's see what's in it. Look at them pink Barbie. Pink Barbie, y'all know my favorite color is pink. Pink Barbie, and y'all wait till y'all see them. Wait till y'all see the details, baby. And wait till y'all see the details on these shoes. Oh, you wait till you see the detail, baby. Okay, y'all. Y'all look at that. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Can't wait to hit the gym in those tomorrow. Can't wait to hit the gym. Y'all know I can't wait to hit the gym. Look at these pink Barbie, baby. Look at that pink Barbie. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Pink Barbie. And look at that little cute charm there. Pink Barbie. Yes. So I got an 8 in these. 8.5 to a 9. 8.5 to a 9. I always got to give myself some wiggle room. And y'all know we're going to do a try-on video. We'll do a try-on video. Yes, y'all. Yes. And look at the soles. Oh, see, look at all that support. Look at all that support. Look at it. Look at it. These are everything. These are everything. Oh, I love them. I love them. Okay. Okay, so let's try to get these back in the bag. Okay. Oh, and these were just $25 too. These were just $25. And those green slides were just like $7. So you can't beat their prices. You cannot beat their prices. I like to get more bang for my buck, and plus it's quality. Because everything comes from China. All that Gucci stuff y'all be buying, I bought Gucci too. But I buy their accessories. I got a Gucci bag. But anyway, it comes from China. Mr. Gucci just put their name in the tag. Y'all know how I go. But that's your business. Okay, and we got these cute little slides. I love the detail. I love the detail on them. Yeah, y'all look at these, look at these. I love them. And look at the soles. See all that thickness, all of that support. I love it. And look at the charms. Look at the charms. Yes, and these are 7.5 to 8. Yeah. And these are off-white. Now these are off-white. These are off-white, and the bow is white. Of course, with the gold charms. So excited. So excited. So, we have 2 more. 2 more orders coming in this week. This is order number 2. And so they'll probably be in, well, they'll be in before the week is over. Yes. So how has everyone's Sunday been going? So me and Coco, we did not go to the gym. We went to the dog park. And after the dog park, we had to go back to Petco because yesterday when Coco and I were playing fetch with her new toy, she get a new toy every month, and from Petco. And when I threw, we was out there playing fetch, and it flew on the roof. So we had to go and get another one today. Yeah. So after we did that, then we went to where? Sonny's, because I had to try one of those sandwiches. And it is delicious. If y'all haven't tried one of the new sandwiches from Sonny's, get there tonight and treat yourself. Treat yourself. I still got leftovers. Not only from the drink, but from the meal. You can't go wrong with Sonny's. But I didn't get nothing pork. Y'all know I don't do pork. Y'all know I don't do pork. No. Okay, so thank y'all for tuning in to my Sip and See TEMU unboxing. Why I call it Sip and See? Because we're going to sip and we're going to see what's in the TEMU bag. Y'all, thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Also, y'all know I have expanded my brand. I talk about politics, entertainment, because it is so much going on in the world. And I'm doing my unboxing videos, shopping videos, cooking. What else? Still doing coffee time and chit chat, just expanding. Travel videos. We're doing it all over here. Right here. Yes, indeed. So thank y'all. Also, thanks for watching.